Norway. Norway's commitment to sustainability is evident in its eco-friendly initiatives and efficient public transportation. The nation's deep-rooted maritime heritage is showcased in coastal towns like Ålesund and Stavanger, each adorned with unique architectural styles. The Sami people, indigenous to the Arctic region, add cultural diversity to Norway's narrative. Modern art thrives in cities like Trondheim, while the Norwegian Petroleum Museum in Stavanger highlights the nation's economic prowess. Norway's culinary scene celebrates fresh seafood, reinventing traditional dishes. A journey through this land reveals a captivating blend of natural wonders, cultural richness, and a progressive spirit that defines Norway's allure. Number 1. Oslo, a blend of history, culture, and modernity. Oslo, the capital city of Norway, stands as a vibrant testament to the nation's rich history, cultural diversity, and progressive modernity. Nestled along the shores of the Oslo Fjord in the southern part of the country, this cosmopolitan metropolis seamlessly combines the allure of its historical roots with the contemporary spirit that defines the Norwegian way of life. Historical heritage. The city's roots trace back to the medieval era when it was known as Christiania. Its history is intertwined with that of the Norwegian kingdom, and remnants of this historical journey are scattered across Oslo. The Akershus Fortress, a medieval castle and former royal residence, stands proudly as a symbol of the city's resilience and has witnessed centuries of change. The Royal Palace, with its neoclassical architecture, echoes the grandeur of Norway's monarchy and is a must-visit for those interested in regal history. Cultural oasis. Oslo's cultural landscape is diverse and thriving, offering a blend of traditional and contemporary experiences. The city is home to the renowned Munch Museum, dedicated to the works of the iconic Norwegian painter Edvard Munch, including his masterpiece, The Scream. The National Gallery houses an extensive collection of Norwegian art, spanning centuries and showcasing the evolution of artistic expression in the country. For those seeking a taste of performing arts, the Oslo Opera House is a modern architectural marvel that hosts world-class performances against the stunning backdrop of the fjord. The city's commitment to nurturing creativity is evident in its many galleries, theaters, and music venues, making it a cultural oasis for both locals and visitors. Green spaces and outdoor bliss. Oslo's commitment to sustainability and environmental consciousness is reflected in its abundant green spaces. The Vigeland Park, adorned with over 200 sculptures by Gustav Vigeland, provides a serene escape into the heart of nature. The city's numerous parks and waterfront promenades offer an ideal setting for outdoor activities, picnics, and leisurely strolls. Locals and tourists alike enjoy the scenic beauty of the nearby Holmenkollen ski jump, a historic site that has hosted Winter Olympics and continues to attract enthusiasts from around the world. Modern marvels. Oslo seamlessly combines its historical charm with a modern and innovative outlook. The Barcode Project, a series of high-rise buildings along the waterfront, symbolize the city's contemporary architectural aspirations. The Astrup Fearnley Museum of Modern Art, located on the Tjuvholmen Peninsula, showcases cutting-edge contemporary art, emphasizing Oslo's role in the global cultural dialogue. Number 2. Bergen, where fjords meet culture and charm. Bergen, a picturesque city on the southwestern coast of Norway, is a captivating blend of natural wonders, cultural richness, and historical charm. Nestled between the iconic fjords and surrounded by lush mountains, Bergen stands as a testament to Norway's breathtaking landscapes and vibrant heritage. Gateway to the fjords. Bergen serves as the gateway to the Norwegian fjords, with its stunning location along the shores of the North Sea. The city is flanked by the UNESCO-listed Rifjord, Gerangerfjord, and Hardangerfjord, offering visitors an unparalleled opportunity to witness the awe-inspiring beauty of these natural wonders. The vibrant colors of the buildings lining Bergen's waterfront create a postcard-perfect scene, complemented by the reflections in the calm waters of the harbor. Historical heritage, steep in history, Bergen streets and architecture tell tales of a bygone era. Bryggen, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a series of colorful Hanseatic wharf buildings dating back to the 14th century. These iconic structures, with their timbered facades, house museums, shops, and cafes, providing a glimpse into the city's maritime past. The Hanseatic Museum and Stuin showcase the history of Bergen's role as a vital trade center and offer insights into the lives of the Hanseatic merchants. Bergen's cultural scene. Bergen is a cultural hub with a vibrant arts and music scene. The city hosts the renowned Bergen International Festival, attracting artists and performers from around the world. Grieghallen, named after the famous Norwegian composer Edvard Grieg, is a prominent concert hall where visitors can enjoy classical performances in a modern and acoustically impressive setting. The city's commitment to the arts is further evident in its numerous galleries, theaters, and street art, creating an atmosphere that inspires creativity and expression. Flybein and Mount Flyen, for panoramic views of Bergen and its surrounding landscapes, a journey on the Flybein funicular is a must. The funicular takes visitors to the summit of Mount Flyen, where they are greeted with breathtaking vistas of the city, fjords, and mountains. At the top, hiking trails and outdoor activities await, providing an opportunity to immerse oneself in the pristine Norwegian wilderness. The Flybein experience encapsulates Bergen's unique combination of urban sophistication and natural beauty. Bergen's culinary delights. Bergen's culinary scene reflects the city's coastal location and maritime heritage. The fish market, Fisketoget, is a bustling marketplace where visitors can sample a variety of fresh seafood, including the renowned Bergen fish soup. The city's diverse dining options range from traditional Norwegian fare to international cuisine, catering to all tastes and preferences. Cafes along the harbor offer a delightful setting to savor local delicacies while enjoying views of the waterfront. Number 3. The Norwegian Fjords, majestic marvels of nature. The Norwegian fjords, with their awe-inspiring beauty and grandeur, stand as some of the most magnificent natural wonders on the planet. Carved by glaciers over millions of years, these deep, narrow inlets are a testament to the Earth's geological history and serve as iconic symbols of Norway's breathtaking landscapes. Geological origins. The fjords originated during the last ice age, approximately 2.5 million years ago, when massive glaciers carved through the Norwegian landscape. As these colossal ice sheets advanced and retreated, they gouged out U-shaped valleys, leaving behind steep cliffs that plunged into the sea. As the glaciers melted, seawater filled the valleys, creating the deep, narrow fjords we marvel at today. The unique geological processes have bestowed the Norwegian fjords with a distinctive and dramatic topography. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Several Norwegian fjords have earned the prestigious designation of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, recognizing their outstanding natural beauty and geological significance. Notable among these is the Nrifjord, a branch of the larger Sognefjord, celebrated for its narrow passages, towering cliffs, and serene waters. Another UNESCO gem is the Geirangafjord, known for its spectacular waterfalls, including the iconic Seven Sisters and the Sotra. These fjords are not only natural wonders but also serve as living showcases of Earth's dynamic geological processes. The Sognefjord, Queen of the Fjords. The Sognefjord, often referred to as the Queen of the Fjords, is the longest and deepest fjord in Norway, stretching over 200 kilometers inland. Its sheer size and breathtaking scenery make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking the quintessential fjord experience. The Nrifjord, a branch of the Sognefjord, enchants visitors with its narrow passages framed by towering cliffs, creating an intimate and immersive encounter with nature. Geirangafjord, a symphony of waterfalls. The Geirangafjord, another jewel among the Norwegian fjords, captivates with its postcard-perfect scenery. The fjord is adorned with cascading waterfalls, each with its own unique charm. The Seven Sisters, a collection of 7 interconnected waterfalls, and the Suta, a single waterfall opposite the Seven Sisters, create a symphony of natural beauty that has made Grange of Jord a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular cruise destination. Orlandsfjord and Rifjord, untouched serenity. The Orlandsfjord and Rifjord, both extensions of the Sognefjord, offer a more secluded and untouched fjord experience. Surrounded by steep cliffs and lush greenery, these fjords provide a sense of serenity and tranquility. The Rifjord, in particular, is celebrated for its narrow passages and pristine beauty, attracting hikers, kayakers, and nature enthusiasts eager to explore its unspoiled landscapes. Number 4. Troms, gateway to the Arctic wonderland. Troms, a vibrant city situated in the heart of the Arctic Circle, stands as a testament to the unique blend of natural wonders, cultural richness, and scientific exploration. Nestled on the island of Tromsøya, this Norwegian gem is a gateway to the Arctic, offering visitors a captivating experience that combines the magic of the northern lights, the thrill of outdoor adventures, and the warmth of a lively cultural scene. Arctic beauty. Tromsø's location within the Arctic Circle gifts it with unparalleled natural beauty. Surrounded by snow-capped mountains and bordered by the icy waters of the Norwegian Sea, the city is a postcard-perfect destination throughout the year. In winter, the landscape transforms into a winter wonderland, with opportunities for snow-based activities like dog sledding and cross-country skiing. During the summer months, the midnight sun casts an ethereal glow over the city, providing endless daylight and a unique atmosphere for exploration. The Northern Lights Capital. Troms proudly holds the title of the Northern Lights Capital, making it one of the best places on Earth to witness the mesmerizing aurora borealis. The city's location above the Arctic Circle, coupled with its clear skies, offers optimal conditions for viewing the dancing lights. Visitors can embark on Northern Lights tours, chase the auroras by boat or husky sled, or simply step outside the city to gaze at the celestial spectacle. Arctic adventures. For the adventurous at heart, Troms offers a playground of outdoor activities. The surrounding wilderness provides ample opportunities for hiking, fjord cruises, and wildlife safaris. The iconic cable car, Fjellheisen, takes visitors to the top of Mount Storstinen, offering panoramic views of the city, fjords, and distant mountain ranges. Kayaking in the Arctic waters, fishing excursions, and whale-watching tours allow visitors to immerse themselves in the diverse natural offerings of the region. Polar history and scientific exploration. Troms has a rich history as a hub for Arctic exploration. The Polar Museum chronicles the heroic expeditions of explorers like Roald Amundsen and Fridtjof Nansen, showcasing the challenges and triumphs of polar exploration. The city is also home to the Troms University Museum, which focuses on the natural and cultural history of the Arctic region. The Arctic Alpine Botanic Garden, located on the campus of the Arctic University of Norway, features a diverse collection of Arctic and alpine plants.